Hello guys, are you looking electric bike? In this video, I will show you top 5 cheap electric bikes for sale. See this video and choose your favorite. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products, you can check out the description links below. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Meiyatu Folding Electric Bicycle. Brand name, Meiyatu. 26*inch off-road tires, with strong ground gripping ability. Li-ion battery-powered assistant mountain bike, 12.5 Ah large capacity. 3 kinds of riding options: electric plus pedal. When turn off electric you can use pedal move easy. Battery, 18,650 Li-ion battery pack. Battery power, 400 W. Brushless motor. Battery capacity, 48 volts. 12.5 Ah maximum speed, 33 km/h. Continuation of the journey, 30 to 45 km. Maximum climbing, 30 degrees. Charging time, 6 to 8 h. Maximum bearing, 160 kg. Front fork double shock LCD highlights. Multi-function display. Instrument material, aluminium alloy. Color, black. Size, 26-inch. Total size, 179 cm. 28 cm. 105 cm. Number 4. Aluminum foldable electric bicycle. Brand name, Meiyatu. Portable design, fold the bike in half and stow it away in compact vehicles, on subways, and in other small spaces. The pedals fold up to maximize portability and storage. Shimano system, shift gears via precise Shimano indexed gearing. Adjustable saddle and handle for highs ranging from 155 cm to 198 cm. Maximum load, 150 kg, equivalent to 2 adults' weight. High-strength steel rear rack support, 150 lbs, 70 kg load. 500-watt powerful motor. Max speed, 0 to 40 km/h. Lightweight frame, aluminum alloy frame, ultra light plus super hard plus anti-corrosion plus anti-rust. Shimano 6 shifting system, LED headlights plus tail warning brake lights. 20*4.0 inch size, tire width up to 11 cm, suitable for snow, Saudi, mountain, city road. 48 volt 10A battery. 52 independent batteries. Mileage 30 to 40 km. Number 3. Shang Milo electric bike. Brand name, Shang Milo. Color, black. Blue. Battery capacity, 17 Ah. Charging time, 7 to 8 hours. Range of mileage, pure electric. 60 km. Motor power, Shang Milo plus 48 volts. 1000 W. Speed shift, 21 speed. Tire specifications, 26*4.0 frame material, aluminum body. Seat tube material, height adjustable. Range aluminum alloy, 80 to 115 cm. Suitable for the crowd, 168 cm. 200 cm. Adult. Front fork material, aluminum alloy. Maximum load capacity, 180 kg. Front fork damping type, spring shock absorption. Brake system, hydraulic brake system. Number 2. Shang Milo folding booster bicycle. Brand name, Shang Milo. MX-20 electric bicycle vehicle. Waterproof design. Gravel roads. Play battery. 500 W. Power motor. Color, black. White. Battery capacity, 15 Ah. Charging time, 6 to 7 hours. Range of mileage, pure electric. 40 km. Motor power, Shang Milo plus 48 volts. 500 W. Speed shift, 7 speed. Tire specifications, 20*4.0. Frame material, aluminum body. Seat tube material, height adjustable. Range aluminum alloy, 60 to 90 cm. Front fork material, aluminum alloy. Maximum load capacity, 180 kg. Front fork damping type, spring shock absorption. Brake type, front and rear disc brakes. Number 1. 500-watt lithium electric bicycle. Brand name, Shang Milo. M80 electric mountain bike. Color, black. White. Battery capacity, 10.4 Ah. Charging time, 5 hours. Range of mileage, pure electric. 30 to 40 km. Motor power, Shang Milo plus 48 volts. 500 W. Speed shift, 21 speed. Tire specifications, 26*1.95 frame material, aluminum body. C-tube material, height adjustable range aluminum alloy, 80 to 115 cm suitable for the crowd, 168 cm 200 cm adult front fork material, aluminum alloy maximum load capacity, 180 kg. Front fork damping type, spring shock absorption brake system, front and rear mechanical double disc brakes. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future, and if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.